So in this particular video, I'll be showcasing this 3 BHK ground floor unit which is available on sale in this very beautiful project located in Golf Course Extension Road. मैं खड़ा हूँ इस समय Golf Course Extension Road के project में जिसका नाम है Satya the Legend and it was delivered around 2012 and this is a 3 BHK 2500 square feet layout which I'm going to be showcasing you in this video. And if you're looking out for a property with a spacious layout under the budget of 3 CR, this layout might suit you very well. The society gives you all the amenities you require at one place and also with a very spacious layout. So now I'll take you towards the tower lobby and give a short tour of this whole layout. Okay. So currently मैं खड़ा हूँ tower lobby में and this is the main entrance door behind me. There are total 3 apartments per floor and the tower height is ground plus 14. This is the front entrance of the tower and your guard is sitting just next to the unit and then you have the other unit just over there. आपकी यहाँ पे 2 elevators हैं इस tower में. So as I said, this is the main entrance door. Right side में ये है servant rooms का access unit and इसके साथ है attached restroom. This is how we are entering inside the unit. This is the foyer area. While we are entering inside, we are facing south. While we are exiting the unit, this is proper north and you have east and west facing balconies. So there will be ample sunlight in the unit. So this is the foyer area of the unit and then the layout opens up on the right side. तो right side में हमारा dining section आ जाता है first of all and then you have the living section. This is 2550 square feet ground floor unit which is available on sale and the typology is 3 BHK plus servant plus utility. This is a very spacious flat according to the current market because आज की डेट में जितने भी अपार्टमेंट्स बन रहे हैं उसमें लोडिंग का फैक्टर काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व है and then the carpet area you are getting in the apartment is very low as compared to the older properties. So this is the front balcony of the unit and then there are total 4 balconies in the layout in total and giving a brief description on the layout how the layout is designed. तो हमने इस तरफ से यहाँ इस तरफ हमने एंटर किया था. So this is the main entrance door and then उसके साथ में जो ये डोर आप देख रहे हैं this is the common bathroom का डोर है which is connected from the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom and then you have the kitchen on this section. यहाँ पर आपकी kitchen आ जाती है. Then you have the living dining section in the middle and उसके बाद हमारे 2 bedrooms जो हैं वो इस तरफ हैं. तो bedroom number 2 is here and bedroom number 3 is over here. हर bedroom एक balcony से connected है and because this is a 2-side open flat so you're getting ample sunlight and good cross ventilation. So now you have already seen the main entrance area and the living dining section. I'll be taking you towards the kitchen area and I'll show you how the kitchen has been designed and इसके बाद I'll show you all the bedrooms. So this is the entrance of the kitchen and you're getting a very spacious kitchen inside this layout. Left side में आपको windows का provision मिलता है and then you are getting this L-shaped counters. This kitchen is connected with the wet balcony or you can say the utility balcony and which is also connected with the servants quarter. तो ये right side में आपकी utility balcony है and left side में this is the space of the servant quarter which has its attached restroom inside on the right side and जो servant quarter का जो exit door है that is opening up in the tower lobby. Coming out of the servants quarter we are back inside the kitchen and then you are also getting some more space over there and you can obviously this apartment will require some work to get this into a very good livable condition. You can also extend the kitchen and आप इसको और spacious भी बना सकते हैं maybe like by adding a washing area in the utility. I have seen the flats over here so I'm just giving you an idea over here. तो हम किचन से जब हम बाहर आते हैं तो हम आ जाते हैं अपने डाइनिंग सेक्शन में एंड इसके पीछे है लिविंग सेक्शन. दिस इज द फ्रंट बालकनी. आई विल जस्ट क्विकली शो यू हाउ द व्यू इज. सो इस तरफ है इस अपार्टमेंट की फ्रंट बालकनी जो कि फेस कर रही है डायरेक्टली इस 600-500 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स के विलास को and this is particularly east direction so you'll be getting ample sunlight in the morning and the length of the balcony is quite wide. You're getting a running balcony all across this area so वहाँ तक है जाती है आपकी balcony and then we'll be entering inside. So हम आ जाते हैं वापस हमारे living section में and then you have the bedrooms. So starting from the first bedroom over there तो वहाँ से मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ. So this was the first part of the layout and ये है हमारा main entrance door. And this is the first bedroom. You're not getting any air conditioners with the unit and you're getting tiles all across the layout. Because this is a 2010-12 construction, there was not much concept of Italian marble that time. So this is the first bedroom of the layout. हमारे को यहाँ पर wardrobes की cavity मिल जाती है, but यहाँ पे already wardrobes constructed हैं, and then you have the connected balcony over there. So यहाँ से हम you can quickly have a look how the view is. So this is the back side of the apartment, and this is purely west. और यहाँ पर आपका अटैच्ड यहाँ पर है आपका बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट. दिस इज़ अ फुल लेंथ बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, एंड यहाँ पर आपको मल्टीपल पार्क्स मिल जाते हैं इनसाइड द सोसाइटी. आई विल जस्ट गिव यू अ ब्रीफ लुक ऑन द पार्क्स मे बी लेटर. एंड देन दिस इज द डोर विच इज कनेक्टेड टूवर्ड्स द फर्स्ट बाथरूम. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये लॉक्ड है, आई कैन नॉट गेट द कीज. तो यहाँ से यू कैन हैव अ लुक हाउ द साइज ऑफ द फर्स्ट बाथरूम इज. सो दिस इज द साइज ऑफ द बाथरूम and the space you are getting. Then we will be walking inside, and this is the second bedroom on the right side. So this is the second bedroom. Again this is good airy bedroom. आपको ventilation काफ़ी अच्छी मिल जाती है. Same first और second bedroom same balcony से connected है, and then also you're getting the same view. इस वाले bedroom में आपको मिल जाता है walk-in closet which is separate from the bedroom space. And then you have the attached restroom इस तरफ में right side में. So you can have a look on that. So this is the space you are getting, and the rooms are very spacious and nice. Coming out of the second bedroom, you have the third one right over here. So this is the master bedroom. So एक bedroom only, the first bedroom does not have a walk-in closet. बाकी दोनों bedrooms में आपको walk-in closet मिल जाते हैं. Also this apartment comes with one car park, and this is अभी हम खड़े हैं, इस समय हम खड़े हैं master bedroom में. This is the size of the bedroom you are getting. इसकी जो balcony है that is separate from other balcony, and then इसका जो walk-in closet है that is also very spacious from the other one. So इसमें आपको दोनों तरफ में wardrobes मिलती हैं, and then you have a very spacious bathroom just in front of you. This is how spacious the bathroom is. You can even install a bathtub inside, and this is the view from the master balcony. So ये जो आप फ्रंट साइड में जो विलास देख रहे हैं, ये 500-600 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स के विला हैं, जिसका आस्किंग प्राइस हो जाता है स्टार्ट ऑलमोस्ट 9 CR से. So the gentry which is living inside this township is very nice. Almost you will be finding all working MNC people and who are living inside the township. आपको जितनी भी डिटेल्स है इस प्रॉपर्टी की डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगी. ऑल्सो द प्राइसिंग. नाउ आई विल बी टेकिंग यू डायरेक्टली टुवर्ड्स द लिविंग डाइनिंग सेक्शन. So this was the whole tour of this apartment. This is 2550 square feet, 3 BHK plus servant plus utility in the Legend Sector 57. The asking price for the property is 2.85 crores, slightly negotiable. It has one covered parking in the basement. All the amenities inside the society are operational, including gym, swimming pool, and a nice community hall. You're also getting 24/7 power backup within the society, and the location is of Golf Course Extension Road. You can just Google The Legend, you will get the location. All the details of the property will be in the description box below, so do check that out. Thank you so much for being till. It means a lot. I'll see you in the next one very soon.